In this section, we're going to talk about the traumatic injuries that you may encounter as you're out there enjoying the backcountry. Trauma is the number one problem that you will see. We're going to discuss those types of traumatic injuries that will most affect you in your outdoor experience. First, we're going to start off with sprains, strains, fractures, and dislocations, how to diagnose them, how to treat them, how to manage them over the long term. After that, we'll talk about head injuries, how to diagnose a head injury, what they mean, and how to manage it. Chest trauma will follow that, talking about rib fractures and any underlying problems that may result. Abdominal trauma will discuss the traumatic problems that can occur to the organs in your abdomen. Finally, we'll talk about soft tissue injuries, lacerations, abrasions, avulsions, amputations, punctures, and impalements.